Have you ever looked up at the sky after a rain shower and seen a magnificent, colorful arc stretching across the horizon? That's a rainbow, one of nature's most beautiful spectacles. But have you ever wondered how they're actually made? It's not magic, it's pure science, and it's fascinating. To get a rainbow, you need two key ingredients: sunlight and water droplets. That's why you almost always see them during or right after it rains, when the air is full of tiny raindrops. You also need to be in the right spot. The sun has to be behind you, and the rain has to be in front of you. So here's what happens. Sunlight might look white, but it's actually made up of a whole spectrum of different colors. You've probably heard of them: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. A good way to remember this order is the acronym ROY-G-BIV. When a beam of sunlight enters a single, tiny raindrop, it bends. This bending of light is called refraction. As the light ray travels through the water droplet, it hits the back of the drop and bounces off. This is called reflection. It's like the light is looking at itself in a tiny, curved mirror. Then, as the light ray leaves the raindrop, it bends again, refracting for a second time. This is where the real magic happens. The process of entering, reflecting, and then exiting the raindrop splits the white sunlight into its individual colors. Each color bends at a slightly different angle. Red light bends the least, while violet light bends the most. Because each color bends at a specific angle, they separate and become visible as distinct bands of color. Red light exits the raindrop at an angle of about 42 degrees, and violet light exits at about 40 degrees. All the other colors of the spectrum fan out in between them. Now, a rainbow isn't a physical object in a specific location. You can't go to the end of a rainbow to find a pot of gold, sadly. It's an optical phenomenon, which means it depends entirely on your viewing position. The rainbow you see is unique to you. Someone standing even a few feet away from you will see a slightly different rainbow, created by a different set of raindrops. And why is a rainbow an arc? It is because the collection of all the raindrops that are reflecting light back to your eyes at that perfect 42 degree angle forms a circle. We only see a semicircle or an arc because the horizon gets in the way. If you were high up in an airplane, you could actually see a full 360-degree circular rainbow. How cool is that? Sometimes, if you're really lucky, you might even see a double rainbow. This happens when the sunlight reflects not once, but twice inside the raindrops. This second reflection creates a second, fainter rainbow outside the primary one. And if you look closely, you'll notice that the colors in the secondary rainbow are reversed, with violet on the top and red on the bottom. So, the next time you spot a rainbow, take a moment to appreciate the incredible physics at play. It's a perfect collaboration between the sun and the rain, creating a dazzling display just for you. It's a reminder that there's so much wonder and science happening all around us all the time. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing science facts. See you next time.